think he's still 20 minutes away from catching it, actually, to be honest with you. Video of the boys here. Okay. The boys from the Brewers Guild here. You guys are Bernie's guys, right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Having at it. We have 2 on. Both of them seem kind of decent. Actually, no, we have 1 on. You get to see that on video. Check that word. You didn't hear that word. The bus? We still got this guy on. How's he feel?
Feels good.
Feels good? Okay. Looks good. There's Murph reeling in his last one today. So we're gonna wrap it up and head in. I don't know what we ended up today. So a lot of them got away today. We probably had, I don't know. Well, one guy got a dozen. I know that, but maybe 15 fish or so. Biggest around 37, 38 inches we let go. This one's that we have on, Murph has on now, probably around 34 inches, so one of the better ones today. We'll snap a couple pictures of it when he catches it.